Yes, hi. In this video, I want to show how to change the EVAP purge control valve. So if you get a code such as P0443 or P0444, I believe then that is the problem with the EVAP purge control valve. So in this 2010 Nissan Rogue, the EVAP purge control valve is here, and it is this thing over here, and it is held by two 10mm bolts, and then you have to disconnect the electrical connector, and you have to disconnect both sides of these EVAP hoses. And so the tools I use for this job is just a simple pair of pliers and a ratchet wrench with a 10mm socket. And so I had to loosen this electrical connector here, from here, and I had to loosen this hose and this hose right here also, and now I am loosening the last of the two bolts, and that's what the bolt looks like. And here are the two bolts. So now it should be all loose and be able to remove now. So after I loosened it and took that EVAP control, the EVAP purge control valve out, it looks like this. And this is the EVAP purge control valve right here. And that's the old one. So my car is a 2010, and this is the first time I had to replace this. And I went to Advanced Auto Parts, and I had ordered this. It's made by CarQuest. And so here is a side-to-side comparison, of the old and the new part. As you can see, they are identical. And so here's the new part after the installation. This is the EVAP control purge valve, and that's the new part after the installation. I would say the installation is pretty easy. I will try to do an update on this. So here's the part that I don't understand, is that before the installation of this new part, the short trim fuel ratio was like between 6 to 8%, and now it is actually between 18 to 21%. And also, I don't understand why the long-term fuel trim ratio is at 9.4%. Now the short-term fuel trim ratio is still between 18 to 20%. So that means my car is running too lean. So it could be that this new part that I bought from Advanced Auto Parts is not working.